This is an iPhone 13 Pro Max. The Face ID does not work. Power off and remove screen and other parts. Apply insulation tape to protect front camera and infrared camera lens. Disassemble Face ID module Flex. Test it with V1S or V1 Southeast or Pro 1000S. Test result shows abnormal. Therefore, we can say the dot projector is problem. Read and save original Face ID Flex data. Cut metal frame according to marked position. Heat with hot air gun 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 seconds. Take off metal frame. Because data readable dot projector Flex not available now, we can use this 16 pins IC chip to restore dot projector. Remove original dot projector chip. Solder conversion soft flex. Set hot air gun to 250 degrees Celsius. Low until conversion soft flex can spring back when it is gently moved by tweezers. Add soldered paste. Find the location of chip pin. Solder new 16 pins IC chip. Set hot air gun to 250 degrees Celsius. Low until conversion soft flex can spring back when it is gently moved by tweezers. Test flex it works normal now. Write original Face ID Flex data and then snap Flex back into metal frame. Dispense to fix Face ID Flex. Solder metal frame back. Install Face ID module back into the phone. Power on. Set Face ID. Entry normally. Lock phone screen. Press power button. You can see that the phone is unlocked by Face ID successfully. Any problems about Face ID, please leave your comments with us. Please subscribe our channel. We will bring more update in future.